the whole fiasco wherein these all billionaires are in this space race and they are trying to reach on to कि मैं मार्स पे जाऊंगा, मैं चांद पे जाऊंगा, मैं यूरेनस पे जाऊंगा, मैं सैटर्न पे जाऊंगा, मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को वो चाहिए, and we are still struggling कि मेरा पानी कहाँ है, मेरी बुक कहाँ है. Sorry, I
गाइज
got
मेरे को तो
carried
बस
away.
बाहर जाना है घर के, वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nilanjan, and welcome to a new episode of Redmi OK. Please, a new podcast on the Redmi India YouTube channel. Today, I have my co-hosts Ashish, Garvita, and Momita, and together we'll be presenting to you some amazing things from the past few weeks. We'll try to do this a lot more frequently. For now, as you guys can see, we're all presenting this to you from home. And on that note, I want to ask you guys,
Yeah?
Momita, you've been home the longest,
Yes.
right? So how's it going? Are you missing Bangalore? Are you missing office?
Yeah, man, I miss office so much, and I think what's more to miss is like the kind of chaos there would be on a normal day in office on a Monday morning. Neil, do you relate? On a Monday morning, everybody's there and it's just absolute chaos, and you have to like close on so many things.
I actually end up
Very
going
late.
to office very late, so I don't know what happens in the morning, but yeah, I
Yeah,
believe you.
so there's absolute chaos because Neil is at home and I'm like, oh, what do I do with this? And I'm like, oh god. So that's something I think, but it's like a lot of rush and it's so refreshing to get up in the morning, get ready, go to office. It's like a lifestyle altogether and I miss it. And also the food, the amazing food that they serve there.
And one thing that Ashish and Garvita have both missed is the food, of course, because they've never been to the
That's
Xiaomi India office.
True, that's true.
So Ashish, you
Yes.
say that you're from Kanpur,
Yes,
and that's very close to Meerut, from where Manu Jain is.
yes.
So how does it feel to be, from the same state as one of the greatest tech leaders in the country?
I actually thought it was a very big bummer when Manu Kumar Jain in our orientation he was introducing himself, and he introduced himself as coming from Meerut and his stories from Meerut, and I actually wanted him to like get into that avatar wherein the UP guy comes out and hey what is happening, man, and this kind of, but that's how the UP thing goes. But yes, it feels great, and I really miss the Bangalore office though, and how I've seen in videos how everyone sits on the same platform. There are no cubicles and anything, and we have the amazing cafeteria over there, and the top and the terrace, like that has got that whole MI logo made from all the bulbs, and it's amazing. It's amazing. Garvita, like you are the newest addition into this team, and
Garvita's just 20
Yes.
days old. Not her age, but she's just 20 days old
26.
in Xiaomi. Although she looks 26 now. And by the time you see this video, it'll be 30 days. So, Garvita, how's been your experience so
I want
far?
to grow up. I want to be 23 years old now. But just saying, I feel so much FOMO. Am I saying it right? No, I feel FOMO. Like I feel absolute FOMO that you guys can actually talk about the food. She's talking about the Monday morning chaos, and I can't relate. But ठीक है, I'm not eager about the Monday mornings, absolutely not. But I'm eager about going to the office and having these meetings that we have every morning and every evening. I think I would like to have them in person and see you all. For all I know, you guys might not be real also. This can be like a
Neil, do you
bots.
feel that
Yeah.
this Gen Z person, this young person using these all lingos over there, FOMO and be right back and amazing ऐसे करके. So this brings me to that time when we were discussing those lingos and we actually asked Garvita for a help. Just tell us like what lingos do you use in your natural language, and so that we can tweak them and we can make them something interesting related to our Redmi 9 Power series and the campaign.
Natural language.
Very natural.
That-
Yeah, I remember. I mean, Ashish and I keep discussing all the time. And I remember about the Redmi 9 Power campaign, which was FOMO, Lolo, Lolo, whatever, right? Whatever the stuff that you guys talk about. And interestingly, it's also the name of one of our segments on this episode, but we'll come to that in a bit. Before we proceed forward, I want to ask Ashish
Yes.
one thing. You mentioned that you wanted Manu Kumar Jain to come up and sort of speak like a UP guy in UP
Yes.
accent and with UP lingo. Now, if you were to tell all our viewers that if they're enjoying this show, they should hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, how would you
Okay.
say it?
Okay, cool. So this is me, the UP guy, asking people to like, subscribe, and share.
Okay.
So it's like this is the lingo over there. Pale denge, and maar denge, pale denge. So these kind of words, like these are inherited. Like something like good happens, you said pale denge, pale diya, something like. So I'm going to use these things that
Okay.
वो घंटा जो है उसको पेल दो, like बटन को ठोक दो और सब्सक्राइब को दबा दो.
ये सेशन
वरना
नहीं हो
पत्थर
सकता.
मारेंगे.
That was amazing. You've been asking me for a
Yeah.
long time that FHD plus display वाला फोन दे दो, FHD plus वाला दे दो. अभी तुमको मिल गया ना Redmi 9 Power. तो क्या है डिफरेंस तुम्हें? Like क्या है? What is the experience?
आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई कैन से इज पहले तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ोन यूज़ करती हूँ, ठीक है. मेरी दुनिया बड़ी छोटी है और लॉकडाउन में मैं फ़ोन में समा गई हूँ, राइट. तो फाइन, तो मैं पूरा दिन फोन लेके बैठी रहती हूँ, तो मुझे चाहिए ना बड़ा सारा बैटरी बैकअप, ठीक है. तो इसमें है 6000 mAh बैटरी बैकअप, जो कि इज लाइक अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर मी, बिकॉज़ मेरा फोन बिना नहीं चलता है. सो लाइक एब्सोल्युटली मुझे पूरा दिन फोन चाहिए होता है. दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली वन थिंग.
One eternity later.
But you know what's another fact, not a joke, but if you were to like Google right now best or the only smartphones with FHD plus under 14,000, the list only has Redmi smartphones, which is like for us it's a good thing, but in general it's kind of a sad thing that the other brands are not really offering an FHD plus display at that price point. And Garvita was telling me the other day कि आपने Amazon Prime Video पे शेयर नहीं देखा क्या? शेयर नहीं. अभी Garvita, I want to ask you that think of all of those people, right, who are paying 699, 700, 800, 1000 rupees subscription for Netflix, 500 rupees subscription for Amazon Prime, want to experience the best content in full HD plus display, but they're only using an HD device, an HD phone. They're not using a Redmi 9 Power or any other Redmi phone. If you were to tell them something like the way Ashish said in UP language, what is it? What is the UP language called? Hindi.
Yeah, it's like a mix of
Hindi
Hindi,
only.
Bhojpuri, and everything.
हाँ.
Yeah.
What would you tell them?
बोल देते हैं. हाँ, सो आई वुड टेल देम, पहली बात, इफ़ यू स्पेंड, क्या एक मिनट मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ, मैं भी अपना क्या रीजनल दूँ क्या, लाइक पंजाबी एंड ऑल में.
हाँ,
मुझे
कुछ
नहीं
भी.
आता ना ही मुझे सिंधी आती है, बट आई टेल यू व्हाट, ठीक है. आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर पेइंग फॉर इट ना, तो उसका वर्थ वसूल लो. like derive value out of it. Like Neil is saying, you're paying 700, 800, whatever amount of rupees, please derive value out of it. Otherwise मेरी तरह free load करो, जैसे कि मैं लोगों के account यूज़ करती हूँ बिना पैसे दिए. And it makes sense, but if you're paying for it, just kidding, even if you're not paying for it, you're sharing some account, please use FHD devices like our Redmi 9 Power, because that way, you know, हम इंडियंस हैं, हमें तो बचतन किफ़ायत का पता होना चाहिए ना. आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस इज इवन अ क्वेश्चन, मैन. जस्ट डिराइव वैल्यू आउट ऑफ इट. नो.
On that note, Garvita, like I really want to highlight everything over there. कि मतलब सब काफी every feature of Redmi 9 Power is amazing. Like the 6000 mAh battery, be it the 48 megapixel quad camera, be it Snapdragon 662, or be it the FHD plus IPS display, and all of that coming at a price of 10,500. मतलब we as Indians, as you said, कि मतलब सब कुछ वसूल लिया एक ही बार में. Everything is done.
Look at that
But
price
exactly.
point. No, I mean.
हाँ.
And then the battery, I mean, I actually absolutely forgot, but like Momita was saying, no, कि battery है तो she likes gaming, and so do I. So for that you need a device like Redmi 9 Power, because then you can actually game for like 13-14 hours on a stretch, not worry about charging your phone, and I think that's amazing. And then you can quickly charge it also.
Even apart from all of this, Sonu Sood of all
Yes.
people endorses
Yeah.
Redmi 9 Power, right? He's like,
Power packed.
he's the son of the soil, he's the messiah of the country, and he's the one who he's telling you कि
सोनू की सुनो पावर पैक बनो.
so please use that, like switch to the full HD plus life and watch Netflix with all that value for money aspect. And now talking about Netflix, Momita, I heard that Ashish did something very funny and at the same time extremely strange with Netflix. What was that all about?
Ashish is very, very good with calculations. So on this fine day, I think, I think the bigger fact has to be dropped here. Redmi Note series sold 200 million units worldwide. And that was the fact we were celebrating. And I think somewhere, like, once we got that fact in, we were like, you know what? That's an absolutely big number. And we should celebrate it in a big way. So we started, comparing कि 200 मिलियन यूनिट्स है, सो उसके साथ उससे बड़ा क्या हो सकता है या उस जितना बड़ा क्या हो सकता है, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट वी वर थिंकिंग. एंड तब बिग अच्छा
That was a legit cough.
आई थॉट
That
यू
was
आर
a legit
मेकिंग अ
cough,
जोक. ठीक है, तो
No.
राइट एट दैट वेरी पॉइंट तो हमें ये लगा कि come on, and I was the one, actually, to say the truth, I was the one who told about the Netflix fact. That Netflix has 207.64 million, maybe more at this point, users worldwide. And we have 200 million Note series sold worldwide. So Ashish, tell me, what was the deduction you made? वो जरा thinking बताओ सबको.
ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं. हमारे पास दो क्वांटिटीज़ हैं, एक है 207 मिलियन, एक है 200 मिलियन. If we do simple maths, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. That means 97% of the Netflix subscribers are viewing, or are also added probably or maybe viewing the Netflix screens on a Redmi Note device. That's what I wanted to convey. बहुत ही इज्जत से. But
Innocence के साथ.
yeah, but what
Bichara.
happened? The tables got turned, and people started commenting on that. And वो fun fact का पूरा 180 degrees.
I think the people who commented should have done the math.
Actually, I, Garvita and Momita, we three were thinking, why not we make you and Garvita both in a shooting kind of a pose, and you both become the face for Redmi Note 10s, which is absolutely perfect in the gaming world. And you two gamers out there, and these kind of poses and pishkyaw, something on these lines.
Yeah, so on Redmi Note 10s, about which you guys are talking about, Garvit and I actually played Battlegrounds Mobile India, new game, super excited. A lot of our Mi fans, who know us, who've been following us, know that we are really, really passionate about Battle Royale games. And the two of us were playing, and you can ask her that, my performance in that game was...
Liar. मैं बताती हूँ, बहुत सिंपल बात है, ठीक है. मैंने ऑनेस्टली बोला नील को कि मैं अच्छा नहीं खेलती हूँ, आई एम अ नूब. तो नील सेड मैं भी इतना अच्छा नहीं खेलता हूँ, नो वरीज. तो आई रियली थॉट ही वाज बीइंग हम्बल, बट टर्न्स आउट ही वाज नॉट बीइंग हम्बल. 2 minutes into that game and Neil just died, okay? Suddenly 3 people, Neil died and I was like, oh god, I'm like giving him a rev or something, and I'm like, अच्छा ये तो झूठ नहीं बोल रहे थे, तो सच में मतलब.
I mean, that actually goes to show that, even with the latest specs, it's no guarantee that you'll be like a gaming superstar. It all is up to your talent. Of course, G95 helps. Garvita has actually rectified all the
Right.
specs about Redmi Note 10s, especially for all our viewers. So, Garvita,
You
take
want
it
me
away.
to tell all the specs? I'll start with my favorite one, which is obviously MediaTek Helio G95 processor that helps with no lags in my game. I'm sorry if I sound like a salesperson, but I think you've built me up to that only, so I'm going to be that now. बोलेगी मैं.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a MediaTek Helio G95 processor which comes with a game technology that will absolutely make sure that your game is not lagging in any way. And if you're like a multitasker also like I am, so if you want to go between your game and your office mails or like Instagram, just do it, okay? It's not going to lag. Then obviously the Super AMOLED display, which is amazing, which makes the colors and the whole graphics of the game come out so beautifully. And I know I talk about Super AMOLED display, but there are other things like the peak brightness, which should reach 1100 nits. I know my numbers. Then there's there's other like reading mode. If you're like a reader, go for the reading mode. It actually feels like I'm reading a book. So yeah, like there's a lot to talk about, and obviously I think Momita will agree here. It also comes with a stunning camera, and I don't want to forget that because Savage Performance के साथ Redmi Note 10s also has a stunning camera, which is a 64MP quad cam.
But I actually can imagine Garvita playing a game, and between ekdam se she switches on to the 64 megapixel camera. She says playing game with 2 others, and uske baad back to the office work. And one time she actually did it. ऑफिस कॉल चल रही थी, me, Momita and Garvita were there, and she literally said grenade do, and Momita was asking file kahan hai? She said grenade do. We were like, what's happening? Then she
But I actually
मेरी
have
बात
one
नहीं
question.
उधर।
What does what is
वो
this
रोटी
thing?
उसकी मम्मी उनको घर पे रोटी बनाना सिखाती थी, वो सबसे तब से उसका चालू है, ऐसा करती रहती है वो।
Hashtag
Hashtag.
savage performance.
Okay.
Hashtag studying camera.
What's the hashtag of this podcast? Let's make one up. It's called Read Me Okay Please. So I think hashtag should
Hashtag
be
watch
Read Me
okay please.
Yeah, hashtag
Watch
Watch
okay.
okay
Don't
please.
dislike okay
Like
please.
okay please.
Subscribe okay.
घंटी
घंटी बजाओ.
घंटी दबाओ.
घंटी
Like
पे लो,
ठोको.
घंटी पे लो, क्या था लाइक, क्या था
And-
क्या?
And share your comments with hashtag Read Me Okay Please if you like this podcast so far. On that note, Ashish, Momita, you guys were telling us that you have one surprise segment which none of us are aware of. Like most things in life. But why don't you make us aware of it? I think it's going to be very interesting for our viewers.
गहरी बातें
hopefully.
कर दी। आश-
थोड़ा बिल्डअप
अच्छा,
देना
ठीक है,
था मुझे.
आशीष जरा बताओ।
बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी मेरे कंधों पे रख दी है नील ने।
उठा नहीं जा
जिम्मेदारी को मैं yes. So I'll start with a story narration. So do you remember Ramayana, wherein Ram and Lakshman were going to Ayodhya, and Ram said नहीं मैं अकेला जाऊंगा, मुझे जाने दो, but Lakshman said नहीं मैं आपके साथ चलूंगा.
भैया.
नहीं, they were going out
Yeah.
of Ayodhya. They were not going to
Like
Ayodhya.
Vanvas.
going out of Ayodhya.
मैथ्स के साथ हिस्ट्री भी अन अकेडमी में कोर्स कर लिया.
Subjective.
सब चीजों का एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहे हैं भैया, हम तो खाली फ्री पे फ्री एडवर्टाइजमेंट चिपकाए जा रहे हैं।
But like
I'm looking for sponsors.
context of the story. दोनों भाई गए, perfect, सब खुश, everything खुश. Now we have a modern Ramayana just in front of us,
Right.
wherein we see that Jeff Bezos, the Jeff Bezos we
Okay.
are talking about, he
The
Yes.
Jeff Bezos.
अरे
Jeff
अपना अमेजोन
Bezos.
वाला।
और चंडीगढ़ दी कुड़ी, I'm sorry, the Jeff Bezos we are talking about over here, and Bezos, or like the whole fiasco wherein these all billionaires are in this space race and they are trying to reach on to कि मैं मार्स पे जाऊंगा, मैं चांद पे जाऊंगा, मैं यूरेनस पे जाऊंगा, मैं सैटर्न पे जाऊंगा, मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को वो चाहिए, and we are still struggling कि मेरा पानी कहाँ है, मेरी बुक कहाँ है, sorry
गाइस मेरे को तो बस बाहर जाना है घर के, वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है।
cool, that's true. But coming to the point, like it's on auction. The Jeff Bezos के बगल वाला seat is on auction and like it's 28 million is the cost, $28 million is the
What?
cost.
28 million.
Yes.
भाई, इस
For
पॉडकास्ट
space.
के मेरे को तो 28
Yes.
रुपीस भी नहीं मिल रहे हैं।
And
हाँ.
connecting it to the story, Jeff is being accompanied with Mark, that's his brother. That means Ram Lakshman are going into space. If
पहली
I
बात
may.
तो माइथोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स के साथ आप ये मत कीजिए, पर आप कर ही चुके हैं, तो मैं जेफ बेजोस को कहना चाहूँगी 250 रुपया देगी, लेके चलो 250 रुपया.
नहीं 250 रुपया का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन ये भाई बहनों की स्टोरी से तो मुझे तो आता है। गाइज आई वॉज ऑलवेज लक्ष्मण। मैं ना, मेरी बहन जहाँ जाती थी, इफ शी वुड गो आई वुड बी लाइक ए मेरे को भी लेके चलना, एंड इफ शी डिडंट टेक मी आई यूज्ड टू गो कंप्लेन टू माय मदर एंड शी यूज्ड टू गेट बीटन अप। जस्ट सेइंग, यू नो, आई होप माय सिस्टर इज लिसनिंग टू दिस।
But what would, if Jeff Bezos' mom was Indian, she would be like, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, but Elon Musk तो 1 साल पहले ये कर चुका है.
तुम क्या कर रहे
She
हो?
would say,
मस्क
मस्क जी का लड़का.
सेम
मस्क जी
मस्क जी का लड़का, मस्क जी का लड़का मस्त काम करता है।
मस्क.
but like imagine the whole conversation between Jeff and Mark. Jeff is saying कि भाई मैं स्पेस में जा रहा हूँ, मार्क बोल रहा है मेरे को लेके चलेगा नहीं तो कट्टी, and Jeff बोल रहा है यहाँ चा come on भाई.
कट्टी नहीं, मम्मी को बता दूंगा।
मम्मी को बता.
You guys know
मम्मी
my
को
angle.
complain करेगा मैं.
मैं बता दूंगा मम्मी को if you don't take me. But 28
But-
million
ज्यादा है,
बहुत ज्यादा है नहीं?
सही है.
would,
हमारे लिए.
if you all had the money would you all pay it?
बोला तो 250 रुपया देगी, खत्म बात. आई डोंट हैव मोर मनी.
Neil, what about you?
टू स्पेस.
I would tell him I'd feature you in Okay.
Okay, pa.
Read Me Okay Please.
In feature
I would tell him that I'd feature him in Read Me Okay Please, and if he would give us a seat.
Yeah,
I would,
sure.
That's what I would
से
do.
ओके बाय.
Sure. Coming to, you know, this bit, this absolute, oh my god, this absolute weird bit of paying 28 million. And guys, by the way, that space flight, there are only 4 people going on that. Just saying.
Yes.
And इतना सारा पैसा.
अगर वो कानपुर में किसी ऑटो को रिजेंबल कर रहा होता तो जैसे ऑटो में नहीं 6 आओ सवारी एक और है आ जाओ.
अब अपने भाई को अपने साथ लेके जाने की जब बात आई, उसमें से आई हैव अनदर न्यूज टू गिव टू यू. आशीष, डू यू वांट टू टेक इट
Yes.
अवे? कम ऑन, टेल देम.
Okay, ठीक है. So this news is actually something around what we were talking about, the Elon Musk and everything. So SpaceX actually has 2 guard dogs, and they're named Zeus and Apollo. And these 2 dogs like circle the perimeter and like
Is there a Loki as
Oh.
well in that?
Jane. but Garvita, like this is like talking about the dogs. You love dogs, right?
Yeah.
If I were to say that you can buy a dog worth $2,700 who can carry a water bottle with you as and when you walk, as and when you jog, will you buy it?
नहीं. Why?
नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं.
Why?
That's like the Munna Bhai wala meme.
नहीं.
Nahi.
नहीं करूँगी. No.
Have you guys watched Back to the Future?
I have.
हाँ,
Yes.
मतलब I know about it.
And in Back to the Future, right, in the first movie, they actually traveled to the year 2015.
Okay.
Which we've lived.
And they were like flying cars and futuristic clothing,
Yeah.
hoverboards, and it's 2021 and we have like robotic
And
dogs
at that
can
also it's
carry
worth
water.
$2,700, guys. That's like a lot of money. मैं अपने टॉमी को सिखाओगे, उसी को बेचारे को बोलोगे, उसको 2-3 बार ट्रेन करोगे तो वो ले जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. वरना तुम्हारा तो छोटा भाई है ही, उसी को ले चलो, उसको बोलना तुम्हारे लिए पानी बोतल ले जाए. मैंने अपनी बहन के लिए कभी किया नहीं, बट ओके.
मतलब खुद
But
नहीं
this dog
उठाएंगे.
this dog can do anything and everything.
क्या?
Anything and everything he can do.
What?
Like that's what these people are claiming about. कि हाँ, in future
Like what?
Like what? Like it can pour the water in
he can be like a
glass and
bartender.
drink it.
Okay.
Guys, I think this dog has one perk. This dog has one perk.
I want a munch. But yes.
अरे
तुम लोग को कैसा फ्री एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना है?
That's a 5-star joke.
बाप चोक मारता है बार-बार.
Cool.
Okay.
Yes, Mamita. The perk.
The perk is a robotic dog won't pee or poop.
Oh.
I'm sorry, but being a dog owner, I just have to think about it. कैसा वो एक ही चीज अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बॉटल तो कोई भी उठा लेगा, right?
I agree. But I still don't agree with the idea. Like खुद उठा लो या फिर like buy some other tech. No, I can think of so many things. ये क्या है? This is
क्या
absolutely
कर रहे था तुम
what
होती
the
तो
duck-
क्या टेक बनाती, बताओ.
हे भगवान.
Ashish, I think this bit deserves a dog joke. Do you have any?
Okay. Cool. So, as you guys know that the monsoon is here and it's raining. So, what do the dogs do when it rains? The timer is on.
They take cover under a shop or something like that.
थोड़ा सा
Or in a
funny.
tree.
थोड़ा सा.
How
It's
is it a
raining
joke?
cats and dogs.
No.
Clo-
He will bow. Rain bow. And what's the other feat that we guys and the social media team pulled off in 2 years from 2018 to now?
We? What do you mean by we guys?
I'm a
and
part of the
social
legacy.
media
Man.
team?
The social media
Acha,
team.
let me. It's okay. You take credit, but let us babies introduce. No, like kids.
Yes.
We'll tell it. So yeah, I think Ashish, you're talking about rainbows and you're talking about all these beautiful things, all about love. I think first thing that we've received so much love that our Instagram account, our Redmi India official page, has reached 900k followers, and right now I think it's at 913k, right? So
correct.
we celebrated reaching that milestone. But now when we're recording, I think we're at 913k, and by the time you watch this, I'm pretty sure we would have grown. And that's all because of our Me fans, and that's all because of the love that our audiences have showed us. And to celebrate 900k and to also give out a very beautiful, beautiful, colorful message, we actually have, I think most of you must have noticed this, that our feed has been looking extra colorful these days. And that's because it's Pride Month. So happy Pride Month, you guys.
Who's your favorite fans with benefits creator?
Okay.
Mamita, you go first.
Okay. So when I talk about my favorite creator, I think it definitely has to be our very own Akshay. Akshay is an
हम है सीधे साधे अक्षय but he's not very सीधा साधा. I know him. I've seen his work. Isn't he actually a football freestylist?
yeah.
And did you know that he actually performed at Old Trafford?
Yeah? No, I did not know this.
Yep.
Dude.
Yeah, he actually went to Old Trafford Stadium and he has
Oh, that
performed
guy is
there.
super great, guys. Because if you go to our Instagram feed right now and you check it out, I think you'll find ample pictures from Akshay. Like, I believe that he takes the phone. He's like, "Iska to main full इस्तेमाल करूँगा."
I think some of the images by our Me fans, Partha, it's really good. The kind of images that he's pulled off. Garvita has another favorite photographer who does macro.
Dinesh.
Right.
Dinesh, again, fantastic stuff on 10 Pro Max. But all in all, 10 Pro Max is this. I would say like we are quite proud about 10 Pro Max because it's
Right.
got everything, right? If you wanted a Super AMOLED display, you have it. 108 MP camera, you have it. Super, like super high
1200
brightness,
nits.
1200 nits, you have it. Super high refresh rate, 120 hertz, you have it. You want
have
it, you have it.
Right.
Right? And on that note, right, we released this very beautiful film, and here's a quick preview of that for all of you.
आजकल सब फोटोग्राफर हैं और इन्फ्लुएंसर भी हैं। आजकल सबको सब करना है, इसीलिए 108 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा और सुपर एमोलेड डिस्प्ले के साथ है Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Note the revolution.
Now that you've looked at this amazing clip that shows you, that talks all about the creator revolution, I think it we can all safely say that सब लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, right, नील?
अगर हम लोग पॉडकास्ट बना सकते हैं ऐसे, एंड अगर आप लोग उस पर लाइक भी कर
कुछ भी हो
सकते हो
सकता
तो
है।
कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंड एनीबडी कैन बी anything. By the way, quick plug-in, I'm actually filming this podcast on a Redmi Note 10 Pro.
Oh,
Wow.
this none of us knew.
Flexing it,
That's great.
but yep, yeah. So hope you guys like that film, and please keep sharing your photos shot on 10 Pro Max, Redmi Note 10s, any Redmi product with hashtags shot on Redmi. And if you want to be a part of our exclusive fans with benefits program, do tag us. We'll have a look at your work and hopefully we'll get in touch.
So Ashish, I have this joke
Yes.
particularly because he's been cracking these jokes, so I feel FOMO again. So this is for all of you. So tell me, if Saif Ali Khan went out of his house without a mask, what would we call him?
Unsafe Ali Khan.
Oh my
Why are you
god.
getting it?
He's as lame as
Yes.
Ashish.
Redmi Bab jokes.
So for a day, for one whole day, Daddy Cool took over our Twitter handle, and he changed the TP, he changed the cover picture, he also changed the bio as well. And for the whole day, he was tweeting lame jokes, lame that good afternoon wala, suprabhat wala,
Not
GIFs and
lame, man.
everything.
Come on, not lame.
lame.
Don't- I mean, I know his jokes were like better than yours, but you shouldn't
Yeah.
diss him.
I think for the
He's my-
entire day, Daddy Cool took over our Twitter handle and caused some absolute chaos with his absolutely nama cool or cool dad or bap jokes is what we'd like to call it. And I think we have to just take a look at few of them because we also have a winner actually within those tweets, and we'll also talk to you about them and congratulate the winner. So Ashish, take it away.
Yes. So it all started with some jokes floating around from 10 a.m. in the morning. And we also got into some brand banters with a few good brands who wanted to talk to Daddy Cool. So the first one we have over here is CoinSwitch Kuber. And we have his reply that Daddy कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, अपने Cryptos hold करके आराम करेगा. And Redmi was like, this Daddy approves this message. And we also engaged with Dunzo. You remember Neil?
Yeah.
Yeah. I believe that Daddy Cool G actually wanted to send his son to his grandmom's place and asked Dunzo, because you can Dunzo everything, right? But then
Right.
Dunzo, I think really wanted to do this, but they thought it's a little phony.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
They'd love
That
to
was
get
okay.
it done, they said. Nice one there, Dunzo.
That's true.
Okay, this
Here's a winner.
this brings us to the tweet of the winner, Sujit Kumar Sinha. Congratulations to you, Sujit, for this absolutely lame Redmi Bab joke. Okay,
It was a lot of people actually commented saying I had a better joke, but the whole point of the competition was to announce a winner who had
Lamest
the lamest joke. And like Sujit Kumar Sinha had the lamest joke, which was, what did the fish say when he hit the wall? Damn!
you have to do it nicely, Neil. It's damn. मैं पापा आई हैव अ ड्रीम पापा हाँ तो बताओ इंजीनियर वर्क के क्या करोगे आई थिंक इट इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ एवरी इंजीनियर आई थिंक आशीष तू भी इंजीनियर ही है ना
All my heart goes out to all the engineers out there.
What is with the accent?
He did his engineering from the United States.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the cool man.
There for a while.
Uptown.
I think we all
Anyway,
know
Vikas Yadav
someone
ji.
like that. So,
We all know.
yep.
Vikas Yadav ji has showed another one.
Yep.
Another one.
DJ Khaled.
We have the memer, our special memer into the comment section, Anish Rathi. And like he's been commenting some great lame stuff out there on our jokes, on our tweets. So this goes like, my wife said, "Log kya kahenge?" So I am here on Twitter with Sharma ji, Bittu ji, and 14 others to see at. And Anish Rathi replies, "Ye log kuch nahi kahenge."
And wait.
What do you think,
उनको
Garvita?
दिखाओ आशीष
That
उनको समझ नहीं
sounded-
आएगा देखो जरा देखो देख रहे हो कितना
Log
तेजस्वी
क्या?
है अपना अनीश ये लॉग कुछ नहीं कह पाएंगे तुम्हें राइट
Anish Rathi is multi-talented, just like the other Rathis. On to Chris Thakkar. Dude. I think Ashish can pull this off.
Yeah?
This is an extremely funny joke.
Right.
Ashish, go ahead.
Ashish
Cool. What did Jaya say to Abhishek when they saw Amitabh coming home in a rickshaw?
what
रिश्ते में तो हम sorry too many expectations guys.
Sorry.
होता है थोड़ा build up
अमिताभ बच्चन takes 2 takes. ठीक है, take 2. रिश्ते में तो वो तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
Rickshaw में.
नाम है
Fine.
शहनशाह ए आई सेड नाम है शहनशाह
Shehenshah.
शेन जबरदस्ती का लाफ्टर.
हाँ.
उसके बाद हम पे आते हैं.
ठीक है खत्म हो गया
अच्छा,
ओके
जादव जी लेके चले गए पर्दा.
पर्दा
खत्म.
पर्दा
Vikas Yadav ji is out of inventory of
But-
pop jokes for this one, but I think we have a few more jokes in hand.
Guys, did you see that?
क्या
What?
Something whizzed past.
Are you sure we are spilling the tea in this episode? I don't think so. I think, yeah, we're gonna keep this for later, guys. So, moving on. अब इसको पूरा दिन चलाना है कि खत्म भी करना है? काम धाम छोड़
I
के.
hope we can. अरे ये भी काम है,
It's work.
but we make it fun.
Yeah.
Just like our Me fans who are always there to support us. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Redmi OK. Please, the first ever episode of a brand new podcast, and I think it really went well. And as promised, here's time for the giveaway question of this episode. One lucky Me fan will win a very special Redmi goodie. So here goes. How many times did we mention BAP jokes in this video? Once again, how many times did we mention the word BAP jokes in this video? If you think you know the answer, go ahead, leave your comment down below with the hashtag RedMeOK, please. Or go back, watch the whole video and leave your best guess down below. So big round of applause for myself, of course,
As me,
and my
me.
co-hosts
मैं
Ashish, Momita and Garvita. See you guys in the next one.